जाओ जाओ, बाहर जाओ, बाहर जाओ। Good morning, students. I myself Divakar Pandey from Kunti Nagar Model English School, Nawada. And today I am going to provide you my fourth video for lesson second in history of class 6 on the trial of the earliest people. In this chapter, I have already discussed you all the important stories about the earliest people, about the invention of fire, and now today I am going to discuss you the next paragraph, names and dates. As it is believed that the earth is 4.5 billion years old. How many years old? 4.5 years old. And the existence of the earliest man is about 10 million years old. How many years old? 10 billion years old. Now it can be said that it means the earliest man appeared on the earth about 3 lakhs years ago. 3 lakhs years ago. Now we come to the long history of human beings. So it can be said that long history of the human beings can be divided into 4 stages. How many stages? In 4 stages. First stage is called the Stone Age. Second stage is called Paleolithic Age, and third will be called the Bronze Age, and fourth will be called the Iron Age. So like this, it means first the Stone Age, Paleolithic Age, the Bronze Age and the Iron Age. These are the 4 stages of the history of human beings. Now among these 4 periods, among these 4 ages, the Stone Age is, it means the longest period of the human history, in which the early man used stones for making tools and weapons, is known the Stone Age. Now we come to the next point of this chapter. We can say that after the Stone Age, the Stone Age has been divided into 3 phases. How many phases? In 3 phases. How? So like this we can divide it. As the Stone Age has been divided in 3 phases: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age and Neolithic Age. It means the Stone Age is divided into 3 ages: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age and we can say Neolithic Age. The word Paleolithic, as I have discussed, the word Paleolithic is derived from 2 Greek words. Paleo means old and lithios, it means stone. It means the stone old age. It means the old Stone Age is called the Paleolithic Age. Now we come to the time. The Paleolithic Age was started from Circe 5 lakhs BC to about 10,000 BC. When about 5 lakhs thousand to 10,000 BC. The Paleolithic Age extends from 2 million years ago. It means to about 12,000 years ago. What was the time of Paleolithic Age? Paleolithic Age times was about 2 million years ago to 12,000 BC. The Paleolithic Age, in which people used rough and unpolished stone tools. Which type of stone tools in Paleolithic Age were used? Rough and unpolished. Now we come to the next point. The stone old is called, it means the stone old The old Stone Age is called Paleolithic Age. The Middle Stone Age is called Mesolithic Age, and the New Stone Age is called Neolithic Age. So what is the Mesolithic Age? Mesolithic Age is that age which was Middle Stone Age, and Neolithic Age was that age which was New Stone Age. Now we come to the Stone Age. The Stone Age is the longest of all ages. It is divided into three important periods. How can we divide it? Into three periods. First, the Paleolithic Age. Second, the Neolithic Age, and Mesolithic Age. So these are the division of a Stone Age. In Paleolithic Age, when we talk, so in Paleolithic Age, man was basically hunter and gatherers. Early man lived in the caves and hollow of trees, and cover his body with animal skin or bark or leaves of trees. Before knowing it, we have to recall the discovery of fire. The discovery of fire was a major achievement of Paleolithic age. It means when fire was discovered in which age? In Paleolithic age. Now after the discussion of this matter, we come to some evidences like cave paintings. In Madhya Pradesh, I have also discussed you that there were so many places where archaeologists have found caves. These were the sites of the earliest. When the earliest people lived in those caves, they were habitual to draw any pictures on the wall of caves. That has been found in Madhya Pradesh. After it, there are so many caves. For example, can be given like Maharashtra, Ellora. It means Ajanta Ellora caves that is located in Maharashtra. These caves tells us, it means these caves tell us about the evidences of cave paintings, cave arts, sculptures that tell us about the past history of earliest people. Now after it, we came to the ostrich. First of all, we can discuss about ostrich, that ostrich was a word. In Hindi it is also called Shuturmurg. So now we can find out where was this ostrich found in India. So we can say that ostrich were found in India during the Paleolithic age. When? Which age? Paleolithic age. And large quantities of ostrich eggs shell were found at Patna in Maharashtra. Where? At Patna in Maharashtra. And designs were engraved on some pieces, while beads were also made of them. Now, when we come to discuss who and what they did, it means who did these cave paintings, men or women. If we try to find out, we cannot say that whether men or women did this type of cave paintings or cave works. But generally we can say men and women also were included in these type of works, like in cave paintings, in making stone tools and such type of work as they had done in their time. Now we care on Hoosangee. Hoosangee, which is located in Karnataka. Where is located? Karnataka. A number of early Paleolithic age evidence were found here. At some sites, a large number of it can be said a large number of tools used for all sorts of activities were found there. There were probably habitation cum factory sites.
Now students, your chapter ends here. You should study carefully this chapter and try to solve your question. Okay, bye.